Hi little builders, we've got some more packs to open today, and what we're looking for are the ones that we don't have yet. So they would be the kettle and the dog, and I don't think we've got the grandmother either. I think they're the only ones we're looking for. And obviously, of course, a gold. We don't have any gold. So let's do this. The first one is, it's a cricket set, and we've got that. This one feels very thin, and it is, it's the breakfast bowl. We've got that. Another thin one. I reckon this is going to be the cricket set. And it is, it's Grandma! Oh my gosh, we got Grandma! Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Woohoo! Yeah, we got Grandma. Oh my gosh, yay! Let's put Grandma together. I just said we don't have her. Oh, that's amazing. So we'll always start with the head. Oh, look at her. She's so cute. All right, we'll put that hair on. Click, come on, get your hair on, lady. Oh, it clicked on already. Wow, that was really quick. And head on the body. Oh, the body. And we put the legulars on. Oh, yeah. Now, the arms are notoriously hard to get on. Tell me in the comments if you find it hard to put the arms of these figures on, because I find it really difficult. It's not bad coordination. They're just really hard to put on. Like, no. We'll try this one. Oh dear. Might have to play this in double speed because it's really hard. Like I always tell my little boy, he's 3, we can do hard things. Oh, yeah, the arm came off. Sorry, Grandma. Come on. Come on. I'm dreaming, I'm believing, and I'm trying to achieve. Oh, the legs came off. Sorry, Grandma. All right. Very, very difficult. All right, now you saw the amount of force I used to do that. There we go. There's Grandma. Yay, I'm so pleased that we got Grandma. How awesome is that? Let's keep going. Maybe another person, huh? Let's see. What's it going to be? No, it's a toaster. Strawberry Patch, got it. Oh, this one feels interesting. It's biggish. What is it? Oh, yes, we've got this. We've got the outside bin. That was one of the first ones we got, as a matter of fact. All right, this is toys. Got 'em. This is, it's Grandma again. And you know what? I neglected to put her clothes on before. Sorry, Grandma. I was so excited that I didn't even put her clothes on. Oh my goodness, I'm so sorry, Grandma. Let's put her clothes on now. Whoops-a-daisy, huh? All right. So, sorry about that, Grandma. We put your shirt on. Keep your shirt on. There we go. And we turn Grandma around and put the back of her shirt on. And that was so bad on my part. But now, guess what? Grandma's got clothes on. Yay, Grandma! If we can get Grandma some company. What's it going to be? It is frozen veggies. Already got that one, so we'll keep moving. This one is, oh my gosh, it's the dog, oh my gosh, I actually hurt my throat doing that. Oh my gosh, we've got the dog, yay, oh that is so fun. Hi puppy, oh yay, we've got the dog. That's amazing. I've been saying for so many videos that I wanted the dog, and we got it now. Yay! Well, we can put the doggy next to Grandma. Yay! That is so fun. I'm so happy with that. Okay, next pack. And it's baby, and we've already got baby. All right, next pack. And it is palm tree. Already got palm tree. Next is toaster, and we've already got toaster. Oh, this one's flat, but I think it's going to be like carrot patch or something. Let's check. It is... Oh my gosh, it's the kettle. We needed the kettle, and now we've got the kettle. Oh my gosh. That is so stinking exciting. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I cannot believe it. I cannot believe it. Okay, calm down. We've got the 2 cups, and I'm so excited. And we've got stickers, so that's fun too. Now this one looks a little bit complicated to put together. So it feels like, it feels like this, maybe. All right, well, I feel like this bit goes here, and this bit goes here somehow, maybe like that, and, oh, that could be wrong. No, that won't come off. Oh, there we go. Okay. All right, I think that's it. I'm pretty sure that's it. Oh, no, this bit's upside down. Whoops. Goodness great. Okay, now that looks like it. All right, so we've got the kettle and 2 cups, and we can pop some stickeroos on now. They are tiny stickers, which is fantastic. Cool. Well, I'm going to say the water gauge would be at the front, right? See how much water is in le kettle. Oh, sugar. You know, it's not straight, it's not perfect, but it's also not a real kettle. So there we go. And on the other side, we'll put the branding, which is, of course, Russell Hobbs. Put that there. Yep, perf. And then this bit here, I reckon, goes on the top. There we go. And there is our Russell Hobbs kettle and Grandma and the dog. Yay! That is so amazing. Okay, we'll keep going. What's in this one? It is... No! Another dog? How amazing! Hi, puppy. So cute. Loves it. Okay, I'm not going to open this one in this video. I'm going to open it in the next one because we've got heaps more to open and we're dying for a gold one, please. Thank you so much for watching. Press like on this video, subscribe, and hit the notifications bell so you don't miss another video. And I'll see you in the next one where we're hopefully going to get gold.